Next game, we got egg fried rice. Oh crap. Okay. It's loud. It's no good. What's no good? I'm far too hungry. I'm never going to get to sleep. Same here. I better see what I've got to eat. See what's in the fridge. Task, look for food.
They're not listening to all those old shrubs down in that edge there. Has got all bumps on it.
Okay. Where is the fridge? Where's my fridge at? Oh, there's my fridge. Big old TV right next to the fridge. I don't agree with that. Empty. That's so relatable. Let me just look to see if any spawned in. Okay, nothing. Cereal, no milk. That is so heartbreaking. Water, toast. Wait, bread expired? Oh, what is going on? We got fridge empty, no milk, expired bread. What is going? Takeaway. Chinese takeaway. That could be tasty. That kind of does sound good. It all sounds so good. It's late though. I shouldn't have much. Damn. How late is it again? I think I'll just get some egg fried rice. Darn, they don't deliver. It's only a short drive into town. I'll just go and order in person. Go to the takeaway. Okay, so we're making a little adventure out of this. Where's my... I don't need to... What is this? Flashlight? This will help in the dark. I would hope so. Okay. Let's get out of here. Wait, am I walking this or we're getting in the car? Yo, we used to have a car like this. I tried to learn how to drive stick in a car like this. Didn't work out. But it was exactly like this. Wait, where? Okay. Yo, where am I supposed to go? Did I even go the right way? Alright. I'll just act like I know what I'm doing. Or act where I know where I'm going. I feel like those lights are leading me somewhere. Go to the takeaway. I'm trying. talking about. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Waffleton? Oh, I'm sure this is a parking spot since it's highlighted. Parked. Can't get out. I'm trying to get out. Very, very dark place. Oh, I think it's right here. It's right in front of it. Got a good parking spot too. Chinese restaurant. Ooh, I know what I want. I want orange chicken with fried rice with some egg rolls. Hello, what can I get you? One egg fried rice. Of course. That will be 280 pounds. Are we in Europe? Oh no, I forgot my money. Oh, what a klutz move. I will quickly drive back to my home and get it. Is that okay? Yes, that is fine. Your food will take a few minutes to prepare, so it should be ready by the time you come back. Do not take too long, we must close soon. No problem, I will be quick. Who forgets their wallet? It's not really busy in here. Hello there. Have we met before? I don't think we've ever met before. Perhaps you're right. But you certainly look familiar. What you talking about? I must be mistaken. My age does that to me from time to time. Well, be careful out there, all the same. Careful, why? Don't you read the papers? It's dangerous to be out alone at night. I'll never get used to the violence in towns and cities such as this. I live far out in the forest, you see. There's nowhere more peaceful and safe. Though I suppose there are rumors of missing people all the way out there too. Oh, here I go rambling again. I don't get many chances to talk to folks these days. Think on it no more. Alright. Alright, let's go get my wallet. Shouldn't be that far. Very, very close. Is that a payphone? Wait, can I go in here? Guess not. I need to hurry up before they close. How far is it? Wait, is that it? Oh, it's not that far. Hurry up, hurry up. Lights. Lights. Get out. Get the wall. Get it. No blinds in my house? It's kind of crazy. Don't forget to close the front door once you get inside. Find your money. Where did I leave it? Where's my money at? Backpacking. Is that it? No. Where to put my money? Oh, there it is. Coin purse. There are coins inside. This will cover my egg fried rice with a coin or two to spare. I better get back and pay. Yes, you better hurry up. Hurry. Oh, perfect. Let's turn on the radio for little tunes. I don't care. It's alright. I mean, I'd probably fuck with it back in the day. Let's see what else is on.
You know where the fancy is? Just I got top of fancy. There's something went there like a bloody door. With a bloody red lamp jam. There, the bloody jam right.
I don't like the radio right now. Let's go before it closes. I overshot it. Perfect. Nope, gotta get my food. Oh no, it's already closed. Are y'all still open? Are you guys still open? Is something wrong? Of course not. I am back with the money. What do you mean? Payment for my egg fried rice, remember? Did your friend not tell you? He paid for your egg fried rice. What? My friend? Yes, the man that came in with you before. He paid up and said he would. He is no friend of mine. You let him take my food? I'm worried about the food. He's at my house right now. Well, yes, he said he told me. Oh dear, you made a grave mistake, lady. I'm sorry. We were about to lock up, but I will ask our chef for another egg fried rice. Thank you, that would be great. Wait right here. Yo, what? Creepy guy is at my house right now with egg fried rice. Why would that man take my food? What a loser. Here you go. Sorry for the mix-up. That's okay. There's no harm done. Here's your money. Thank you. Don't forget to pick up your egg fried rice before you leave. Good night. Take my egg fried rice. Looks delicious. So not only did he take my fried rice, he's at my house right now. Now I gotta deal with that. Should I talk to him? Hey, I got a favor to ask you, you know? I need a few pennies for the bus. Friends help each other out, right, friend? You know what? Just take my change. Thanks, you're a hero. They'll be writing songs about your friend. Just a heads up, some creepy dude went running after your car when you left earlier. What? He was chasing after me when I went to go get my coins? He gave me weird vibes, you know? Keep your eyes peeled. What the? You know what? Thanks for the advice, dude. Oh my god, now I gotta deal with this guy. GoPro's laughing at me right now. Okay. So hopefully he's not here to kill me. You know what? If he's at my house, I'm running him over. Done and done. If he's right there, I'm running. What the fuck? You know what? Check the damage to your car. Oh, God, now I gotta get out. What the hell? Who threw a brick at my car windshield? Hello? Buddy ran away. It was that guy. Is that egg fried rice? I don't believe it. What a mess. Did somebody throw this at me? I'm getting creeped out. I don't want to hang around out here. I'd better drive slow and get home. Or I'll sort this out in the morning. I can't deal with it now. I just want to eat my egg fried rice. Buddy. Can't even see. You know what? Just want to get home and eat my egg fried rice. I don't want to deal with no creepy guy outside of my house. Let me just park and get in. I don't see anyone around me. I think we're good. Let me just sit down and eat in peace. Hello? Hello, it is the Chinese takeaway. Okay. We have a free bottle of beer for you, a free fortune cookie too. I'm not going back. Please come and collect them. Are you kidding me? Free, is this because of the mix-up? I have a damaged windshield. Please come and collect them. Are you kidding me? Free beer and a cookie. They hung up. I could quickly go and pick up that free beer and fortune cookie. My fried or rice would stay warm if I hurry. But should I? Oh my god, this is a good decision. Go and collect your free stuff. Stay and eat the egg fried rice. Go and collect my free stuff. This is too good to miss. Alright. I should leave this in the microwave or... You know what? I have a damaged windshield. I shouldn't drive the car with this damage. I guess I'm walking? What? Alright. I guess I'm walking. I'm gonna run into that guy though. I guess I could just jog it. For... What the hell? Where am I supposed to go? Oh, okay, that was a walkway. That's why I couldn't drive my car in there. Alright. So... It's not so bad. It's a straight shot there. I don't think I'll run into it. It's him. It's him. It's him. Buddy. Buddy. Oh my god, is he some type of crackhead or something? That was him. Alright, let's just get to my... Go get my free stuff. Oh my god, what if they... Welcome to Waffleton. What if they tell me, oh, your friend picked up your free stuff and is taking it to your house right now? What happened to my friend? Okay, I'm getting distracted. I need my free stuff and go back home. But it's already dark. Oh my god, what did they tell me that? She's still in there? They just leave it open? There's a note. We are busy cleaning. Please take your drink and go. Okay, where's my cookie? Alright, you don't gotta tell me twice. Okay, but where's that guy? Did he go straight to my house? Yeah, I got my beer. I didn't get my fortune cookie, but I got free beer, so we're good. Yo, I can't believe we passed that guy. Literally. Are we gonna pass him again? I don't. I know I closed my door. What? Oh my god, it's the cookie. The fortune reads, death is your only escape. Are you kidding me? It's the same song. Did he leave this here? He was in my shower. Is he hiding in here? He's in the house. The strange man stabbed you multiple times, woozy but still alive. You observed him smiling as he watched your life leave your body. He stayed with you until you finally died, murdered for nothing but a sick amusement. He was never caught. Police found the takeaway staff dead the next day, brutally murdered. Reviewing the CCTVs led them to you. They found your blood all over your home. It didn't take them long to find your body stuffed inside your fridge, covered in egg fried rice. Oh my god. You know, I was sketched about him from the beginning and I was right. Wait, was he going to do the same thing if I had stayed home? Probably probably oh man. I didn't expect that. That was very unexpected. Did not expect that whatsoever. Um yeah, like that was insane.